We have made it. It is the final day of RM20. That means today at midnight, we will close our 20th sweepstakes. So after midnight tonight, you cannot get any entries to win this incredible truck and $20,000, but you still have time. So get in before midnight tonight at RestoMods.com. We wanted to run down some of our favorite things about this truck. So I'm gonna start it off with just the exterior of this truck, the look of this truck. The paint job is absolutely incredible. It's this silver metallic, cut with this red pinstripe that carries all the way through the cab of this truck. And then the darker gray that you see on the top level in the hood and the roof, also carried in with that super dark bed liner that we'll get to in a second. All of the bumpers and trim have been shaved, so you won't see, traditionally on the C10, you would see the cap of the bolts that hold on the bumper. That's all been shaved, and it just is a really clean, uniform look. With the aluminum, and then every other trim piece has been painted to match the truck. This truck just breaks necks everywhere it goes. It's incredible looking. And then you really get into it and you see the details, like the flush mounted glass. This glass is by Fessler, and it's just flush mounted into the truck. So there traditionally would be a trim piece here, and it's just been flush mounted and that's been gotten rid of. You can also see some of the body work and fabrication. This drip rail has been completely removed, but it still kind of has the hint of the curve to it. We don't drive this truck in the rain, so the drip rails aren't instrumental, but if you did, this curve would still guide the water. It just isn't a full-on drip rail that would trap moisture and traditionally is a rust spot on these trucks. That's all been shaved down, and now it's this kind of subtle curve that goes in here. It's also got the flush-mounted back glass back here, and then you can see the pinstripe carries through underneath the back glass. And then here's that beautiful bed liner I was talking about from SV Body and Paint. This is a functional bed liner, it's just a spray-in bed liner, but the color of it is a really dark gray, almost a black, but just a little bit lighter than that, and it really sets off the truck with this metallic silver cut with the red pinstripe, darker gray, and then the colors that are inside of the bed liner to the black interior. So just overall, the look, fit and finish of the exterior of this truck is definitely one of my favorite things, and it's going to be one of the winners' favorite things too. One of the most important things is the ride, the suspension, and then also the wheel tire combo and the brakes that go into this, because there's no sense in all that power and going fast if you can't stop equally as well. So underneath this truck, it's got a full RideTech suspension. It's got a RideTech controller on the inside. So what does that mean? It's got adjustable ride height. So right now, as you're seeing the truck, it's at what we call ride height, which is kind of the middle. It'll go up another few inches from here, and then say you're pulling up to a show and you want to drop it down to something a little bit more dramatic, this truck will almost slam completely down on the ground. And you can control all that, like I said, from the touchscreen inside, which is just, it's really cool, it's really functional, and it just adds kind of just a fun factor to the truck, as well as increasing drivability through extra clearance, everything else, and then whichever stance you want, depending on what mood you're in that day. It's also sitting on these incredible American racing torque thrust wheels wrapped in these Goodyear Eagle tires. Just a classic wheel tire setup that looks fantastic. Also behind those, we've got our drilled and slotted rotors and our Wilwood 4-piston disc brakes in the front and the rear. So this thing has serious stopping power. It's also got a brake booster in there, so you're getting power brake assist. This truck just stops on a dime. No two ways about that. So overall, all of this stuff combines to give this truck just a really incredible feel when you're driving it, as well as some cool options in how it looks in terms of the stance. And again, that just combines to join in total package that is RM20.
As a mechanic, I'm gonna go straight for the heart of the beast. So my favorite thing on this truck is the 6.2 liter LS engine. This thing is rowdy. We took this thing drag racing, and I had a hard time just pedaling to put all that power down. Gaining traction with this much power, it was a little tough, but that's a good sign. This engine is healthy. It's, like I said, 6.2 liters, and it's got all the bells and whistles on it. The main thing is this RideTech port-injected dual quad setup. So this is a brand new product from them. It's got individual port injectors, but still that classic dual quad look. And it's just a great way to dress up an LS engine. Sometimes you just get tired of seeing that traditional LS manifold that you see. This thing is just way, way easier on the eyes, and it performs. A couple other things, it's got long tube headers. It's got a really nice accessory drive with all black anodized parts on it. So everything just ties together. All the goodies, like I said, custom upgraded radiator from Ron Davis, big aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, power brakes. I could go on and on for a long time on this thing, but I'll keep it short. This thing does have a nice cam in it, so it'll get you that rumbly idle you want, and you can really feel in the high RPM range, this thing really comes alive. So behind all that power, we have a Silver Sport 4L65E. So that's GM's automatic with an overdrive. It's been beefed up with a custom torque converter that really helps make use of the camshaft in this. So all through the drivetrain, this thing is just stacked. I mean, you got all the best parts on it. It performs well, drives nice. What else can I say? I mean, this is just, it's just got the wish list of everything you would want in an LS powered C10, and it's all done for you. Just get in, turn the key, go, enjoy the power, melt some tires off.
We couldn't have a complete list without talking about the inside of this truck and the actual drivability of it. So the interior of this truck is really special. This thing was all done up by Velocity Restorations, a full custom interior job, and it shows. I mean, just in everything that you look at inside of this truck, and just taking a look around, it's immediately apparent everywhere. You can look at the instrument panel and see, hey, right away, this is a C10. This is what the instrument panel looks like. But these are all Dakota digital gauges. They're all brand new. They're all digital. They've got every piece of information that you're going to need right there. We also moved to an upgraded steering column, to tilt column with this really cool steering wheel on here, and everything's billet. So all the controls that you touch in here are billet. And we moved the key to the column as opposed to in the dash. These seats are custom seats by Velocity Restorations. They also did custom door panels. So as you look right here, everything's billet. The armrest is there, door handle's there, window crank is there. The air conditioning control, actually vents are fully integrated and look like normal where these vents would be on a C10. There's extra vents here in the dash, and the RestoMod air controls are right here, but just really nicely integrated. And the dash is full custom and painted this satin black to match. The dash itself is custom wrapped, leather wrapped up here, and matches perfectly the center console, which is custom built for this truck. It has cup holders, which I love. In 1970, they didn't put cup holders in really anything. You weren't driving through a Starbucks and getting a latte, or even just putting your phone in there, or throwing your keys in there, or whatever else. It's just a great place to stash extra stuff. Continuing on in the center console, you've got the Kenwood touchscreen navigation and infotainment system. So that governs all of your audio. And then right above that is the RideTech controller, which is for the ride height. We did a separate video on the suspension and the Air Ride RideTech unit. And then here's the FiTech unit. We mounted it right here, so you've got easy controls. That has a whole nother set of gauges that match this set of gauges, and just tell you everything that's going on inside of the truck as it's running. This custom center console is really cool. Can stash extra stuff in here. This whole thing is really well made. Nice felt on the inside, and it's got some power adapters in here if you need to plug anything in down here. So overall, the truck is really comfortable. It's a full custom interior. The roof up here matches the dash. It's this flat black, which really goes with the overall color scheme. I think matches that truck bed where we did the custom bed liner. It's just really comfortable, and it's really great, and that all makes it really fun to drive. So let's go for a ride. Gotta love how that fuel injected LS just fires right up. And immediately, you know, I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6", so I'm a little bit oversized for this truck, but even so, I comfortably fit in here with the tilt column. I just bump the wheel up like this, and we're ready to roll. This thing is so easy to drive, takes right off, starts right up, and like any of these cars, the ultimate test is, how fun is it to mash that right pedal? We've been counting down our favorite things about this truck, which is pretty much everything, but we've been pulling out some details in there to really highlight to you guys. And we are at the final one, which is to me the most incredible, which is the fact that someone is gonna win this truck, and it could be you. This truck, I mean, if you went to go buy it, is a $70,000, $80,000 truck. And someone is gonna take it home from RestoMods.com along with $20,000. And to me, that's incredible. I can't wait to meet our 20th winner, and it could be you, but you gotta grab those entries before midnight tonight.